All right, we gotta check this house out. This is $1.35 million, 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, 4,600 square foot. Lots of upgrades. Let's take a look. As we walk in the front door, this is a tri-level style. We're gonna go downstairs, check out this pool, check out that backsplash, look at the entertainment that it can provide. Beautiful electronic fireplace, laundry room, and then wet bar or sink, garage. There's the wet bar. Full primary suite downstairs. Here's the pool. Here's the backyard with the spa, Pebble Tech. Lots of space. And then as we go over to the other side of the backyard, we have full outdoor kitchen, dining area. Let's go back inside now. All right, main level, we have TV entertainment. Then on the other side, we have another set of TV and entertainment seating. Then you have the dining. Love the panels up above. The details in this kitchen is massive. Stainless steel appliances. Again, lots of open space. There's the powder room. Let's go upstairs. Here's bedroom number 1 with its own bathroom and closet, walk-in closet. And then let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. Now the primary. You got shutters. Let's check out this bathroom. Lots of upgrades. Closet, LED lighting above. All right, rooftop deck. We have 360-degree view all the way from west to the north, and then there's the strip. This is right off of Blue Diamond and I-15. Super convenient location. And that's the end of the tour. If you like what you see, please check it out. Hit me up and we can check it out. Or if you like anything else, want to see anything else, let me know.